If you focus on the pain, on the failure, you will continue to suffer. But if you focus on the learnings, you will continue to grow. Choose to grow rather than suffer. Anong meron? Kung ano man ang mali, huwag mo nang uulitin. Anong meron sa 2025? That you may have the courage to change the things you can. Habang may panahon pa. Ano pa? Habang may panahon pa. Baguhin ang dapat baguhin. If you want something new, you must take the courage to do something you have not done before. Father, baka mahirap. Talagang lahat ng bago ay mahirap. The common enemy of growth is comfort. Comfort. Ayaw nating mahirapan. Ayaw nating mahirapan. Sadyang kailangang maghirap para maabot ang pangarap. Di po ba? Kung ikaw ay tamad, wala kang kinabukasan.